What's the meaning of behavioral? Behavioral. Behavioral.
Behavioral. Behavioral. Behavioral refers to the study of human behavior, including its causes and effects. It is a term commonly used in psychology and related fields, and involves examining how individuals think, feel, and act in various situations. Behavioral analysis seeks to understand how people behave and why they behave the way they do, and can be applied in a variety of contexts such as education, healthcare, and business. This field of study has evolved over time, incorporating insights and methods from various disciplines including biology, sociology, and neuroscience. Overall, the goal of behavioral research and analysis is to gain a deeper understanding of human behavior, and use that understanding to improve outcomes in various domains.